Hello again. We're going to be looking at putting an image into our web page today. So I'll open up our test website as we have before, and as you can see, I've got the folder structure all in here. Now, if you remember several lessons ago, we created this resources folder. Now, I happen to have an image already in here, but you can find an image anywhere on the internet, preferably one that's got all the right copyright requirements and is free to use. But this is just one I've found earlier, and it's just a basic map of Australia. Okay, now that's in my resources folder, so I can't use it on my website. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to make a copy of this file. Okay, then I'm going to have to go into my www folder where my website lives and click on the images folder and paste a copy of that image into that folder so I can access it off my website. Okay, I'll just close the resources folder now for a while, and we'll close this demo copies of the map of Australia. Now, as you may have guessed, an image also has a special tag of its own, which is the IMG tag. And unlike other tags, this is one of those exceptions that doesn't have a closing tag. It's all self-contained. Rightio, so we start with the IMG, and there's two attributes we have to put into an image tag. One is source attribute, and basically we are telling the image tag where the image is. So in our case, it's in our images folder, and it's called the Australia Relief Map. Okay. Now, another tag that we put in is known as the alt tag, and that's basically standing for alternative text. So in that, we put a description of what is actually in the image. So in this case, it'll be a map of Australia. Okay, now the alt tag is mainly used by screen readers, so people with sight difficulties have better access to the content on the web page, and it is also used in the event where the image doesn't load on the web page for some reason. So people still have a bit of an idea of what the image is supposed to be. Okay, we refresh that. Oh, we save it first. And then we refresh it on our test page. And as you can see, I now have a huge map of Australia on our web page. Okay, so that's how we put an image into a document.